Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this tutorial. This is really nice pattern and easy to knit. You have to just repeat 4 rows to have this pattern. This is the front side and back side. It can be used for any kind of project you like. Let's get started. For tutorial, I'm going to use another color to be more visible. What you have to do, you are going to make chain. For that tutorial, we need to have multiple of 8 plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to stop here, but you can make more if you want. What you have to do for the first row, just we are back to the 4th chain and make 1 double crochet. Then we are going to make triple crochet by grab the yarn twice and skip 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. The first one I'm going to make 3 triple crochet. 2 more. As you can see here, I did it in the same stitch. Then chain 2, and in the same stitch we are going to make another 3 double and triple crochet. Like this. Then we are going to skip 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. In the first one it's time to make a poof stitch by grab the yarn 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we are going to do it like this and repeat the pattern by make a triple crochet in the fourth chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the repeat of the pattern. 2 chain and again 3 triple crochet at the same stitch. Like this. I'm going to stop the pattern here, but if you need, you have to keep continue but make another poof stitch. Here after 3 chain you have to make just 1 double crochet like the one in the beginning, and the same stitch make another one. This is the end of row 1. Row 2 we are going to chain 1, return the work and skip 1 to the next one, make 1 single crochet like this. When it comes to that pattern, you have to do the front side single crochet. It means that insert the hook here and make 1 single crochet. Next one and the third. Now we are going to make 5 chain. Then return the work like this. Insert the hook in that space and make 1 single crochet. Again, chain 5 and back to work here in this part, and we again make a front side single crochet. Like this. Then we go to another pattern and repeat by make a 1 front post single crochet in each stitches, repeat by chain 5, back the work like this. You can see the loops here. Make 1 single crochet, chain 5 again, back to that part and repeat. Don't go at the end of the work, just make 1 single crochet on the top of each of this. This is the end of row 2. Row 3 we are going to make 4 chain and return the work. Now we are here in that part. What we have to do, like row 1, we are going to make triple crochet, just half triple crochet. It means only 3 in the same stitch, like this. Then it's time to change the pattern by making a poof stitch now in this place. So it means that insert the hook here between the spaces here and grab the yarn 4 times. Like that. In the next space here on the top of the poof stitch, it's time to make a triple crochet by grab the yarn twice and start to make triple crochet 3 times, then chain 2 and another 3 triple crochet in the same space. Like that. Again we make a poof stitch by grab the yarn 4 times, and here in the same spaces we make 3 triple crochet. Like the one in the beginning, for the edge we make 1 triple crochet on the top of the last one as a edge. Row 4 we are going to chain 2, return the work. When it comes to that part, in this tree we are going to make front post single crochet 1, 2 and 3. Then we are going to chain 2 and we come to the next 3 and make front post single crochet. Like this. Then we are going to chain 5 and back to that part. If you can see here, we have a puff stitch. Insert the hook here on the top of puff stitch at this part and make 1 single crochet. Let's do it this way, more easy. Then chain 5 again, return to the back side of the work and make front post single crochet like this. Then again chain 2 and for the last 3 we make again single crochet, and on the top of this one we are going to make another single crochet. This is the end of row 4. As you can see here, the pattern looks like this. Now it's time to repeat from row 1 to row 4 to have another pattern. It means that you are going to chain 3 for row 5, back to the work like this, row 1. Here we make another double crochet. When it comes to that part, we start to make 3 triple crochet, exactly repeat of row 1, chain 2, triple crochet, and here we repeat by make a puff stitch. And for the next space we make triple crochet. This is exactly the same as row 1. Just let me finish this row to show you how the pattern looks like. When it comes to the end, like the one in the beginning, we are going to make 2 double crochet as a edge. If you repeat these 4 rows after few rows, you are going to have a pattern like this. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.